Do you want to chat with Meta AI on WhatsApp? You can ask anything to Meta AI in WhatsApp with just a few simple steps. Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this short video tutorial, I will show you how to chat with Meta AI on WhatsApp. Just watch this video till the end, and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips video. Chatting with Meta AI on WhatsApp allows you to interact with an AI chatbot developed by Meta. It allows you to ask questions, seek information, generate AI images, and interact with different characters based on your interests. Before starting, make sure you have the latest version of WhatsApp installed on your phone. First, open the WhatsApp app on your mobile device. There are two ways to access Meta AI. Tap on this Meta AI icon, if available, or tap on the search bar at the top of your chat screen. Type @Meta AI in the search bar. Once you've entered @Meta AI in the search bar, if the Meta AI feature is available in your region, you'll see it appear as a suggestion. Select it to start a chat with the AI. Now, you can ask Meta AI anything. Meta AI will respond to your queries and engage in conversation. You can also generate AI images in WhatsApp. Type "imagine" and write your text prompt to generate an AI image. You can also chat with Meta AI in an existing conversation or group. For that, open any friend's chat conversation or group chat. Tap on the text box and type @Meta AI. Select Meta AI from the suggestions. Now, you can ask any questions, and Meta AI will respond to your queries. To generate an image in chat conversations, type @Meta AI and then again type /imagine. Write your text prompt to generate an AI picture. Additionally, on WhatsApp, you can also chat with different characters based on different categories like learning, sports, culture, food, and travel. Tap on the new conversation icon from the home screen. From the various options, select New AI Chat. Choose a character from the different categories available. Now, you can chat with the Meta AI character of your choice. By following these simple steps, you can chat and engage with Meta AI within WhatsApp. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips.